Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using a gift box and gift bag as well as these cutting boards from Dollar Tree. The cutting boards I painted one side as well as the edges with Plaster chalk paint by Waverly. Next I'm taking the gift box. The gift box came from Dollar Tree as well. I cut that down a little bit larger than the cutting board. And I'll be adding Mod Podge to the cutting board on the unfinished side and then placing down the gift box. I smooth that out with my hands and then use my heat tool to dry it. I trim it up a little bit and then sand that down to remove any of the excess cardboard. And then I'm using this gift bag for the other cutting board, and that I got from Walmart. I do the same process, the Mod Podge. Place it down, smooth it out, use my heat tool to dry it, and then sand off the excess bag. And then place them upside down with the top part of the images facing each other. I take a piece of ribbon and I put one on each side and I hot glue those pieces into place. You'll want to make sure that the hot glue and ribbon goes right up to the edge of the cutting board. And then on the opposite side of one of them, I hot glue another piece of ribbon on each side, leaving it a little long because I will need a space between the two cutting boards and then glue it to the other cutting board on the bottom. Once those are set, I take the other cutting board and fold that down. Add hot glue to the end of the ribbon and then place it on the back side of the other cutting board. And do the same thing on the opposite side. So it'll stand up like an easel and you can use either image to display. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.